Tex Pick 2022. We've got another one for you. This is Dorian, and this is his pick, and he's going to tell us all about it.
Hey guys, this year I picked a 2019 XL 1200 CX, also known as a Roadster. This one is painted in Blvd white, which really offsets with the blacked out components on it. This one has also been modified with R&S air cleaner, tank lift on there, and Vance and Hines mufflers. Heat shields, standard Harley, laser cut portholes on there to help with the venting of heat. I really like these motorcycles, inverted front forks. They got a lot of control over normal Sportsters. Looking at about 571 pounds in weight, 67 horsepower at 6,000 RPM with about 76 foot-pounds of torque, about 37. So this thing will move, and real good at control. You know, getting the curves, you'll notice this bike. This will hug everything that the road can throw at you.